Hey my beautiful babes, welcome back to another tutorial, y'all. This is focused on this look, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, just continue to watch this video. If you want to see more looks like this, just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get right into this look. So I'm starting off with the No Made palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using that dark brown and packing it right in the outer corner of my eyelid to start off the look. Now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and go into a warmer brown, which I got out of my eyeshadow palette, painted for the back row, and I'm going to start blending out that dark brown. To make sure I don't lose that dark brown, I'm going to pack it. I'm going to start packing it back on the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just start blending it out. So I'm going back and forth between those two browns. Now it's time to start bringing it over because this is going to be a cut crease. So I'm going to start slowly blending that soft brown over with the blending brush. So I'm going to pack the dark brown in my outer corner, and I'm going to slowly start bringing it over with the blend brush towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Now I dab into the dark brown with the fluffy blend brush, and I'm going to start slowly blending out that harsh line. Using my micellar water and a concealer brush to clean off my lid. It's time to cut the crease, so I'm going to use some Acid Rain Base by P. Louise in the shade Blank Canvas, and I'm going to use my concealer brush to start carving out my crease. Taking Upscale Face 18 Colors of Day and Night palette, and I'm going to start putting the shimmer right on top of this Acid Rain base. So I'm using Glaze and Donut, so I'm two different shimmers. Taking that small packing brush I used in the beginning, I'm going to start smoking out the outer corner of my eyelid just to close that in. I'm going to take some of NYX glitter adhesive, which is their glitter glue, and I'm going to start applying it directly on my lid so I can start placing the glitter. So I decided to do a dramatic wing with this look. So I'm going to be using my Milani's liquid liner to do a big dramatic wing. I just got to clean up my regular lashes because sometimes you can't really see if your liner is correct because you have so much product on your real lashes. So I'm using Benefits mascara and just cleaning up my real lashes. Now let's jump into the face. I'm using my Fenty's Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. This primer is really good. I love the fact that it is mattifying. I don't think it's as moisturizing as I would like it to be. So I would recommend you using some type of Pond's moisturizer or whatever moisturizer you use to moisturize your skin before applying this primer. Other than that, I have no complaints about it. It's definitely good. The products that I'm using for concealer and contour is going to be this concealer circle by Kryolan. Y'all, this is super dope. The concealer is full coverage. I love this product, and you will see me with a little bottle. I had to apply a couple drips because the product is very thick, so you want to loosen up that product with some liquid makeup blend, and that is by Kryolan as well. Now I have been digging like this bright under eye, so I am going in with the brightest concealer for my skin tone, and I'm gonna place that right in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna go in with one that is probably one shade lighter than my skin tone and place that on the rest of my T-zone area. Going in with the darkest shade on that color circle, I'm going to start contouring my nose and my face with that shade. This color circle also has a color corrector right in the middle of it, so I would highly recommend it, especially if you're a makeup artist. I'm gonna be mixing these two foundations, which is one of it. The lighter foundation is by Fenty, and that's in the shade 360. The second one is my NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade Dark 2. And I'm going to be mixing those two foundations together. I am going to go in with my Juvia's Place Contour Stick. This is in the shade Beijing. I'm going to start placing this on my cheekbones to contour my face. It's actually time to start placing the foundation, but it is a little bit too dark, so I did go in with more of my Fenty 360 and made it a little bit lighter. I'm basically placing it everywhere I didn't highlight and contour. Doing this method, I found helps me save more product because I don't have to use as much foundation or as much contour or concealer. So I definitely recommend this method. I learned this method on I think TaylorMade Jane's channel. But yeah, so this is definitely a dope ass method. I would definitely recommend this if you are trying to save products. Now it's time to blend. So just blend everything in. I'm starting off by blending my foundation first. Now I'm going to use some Kryolan setting powder to start setting my face. This is also Kryolan's eyeliner pencil. I'm going to be placing this on my waterline. Now we're just going to smoke it out. So I believe I'm still using the Upscale Face 18 Colors of Day and Night. And I'm going to start smoking this out with that black first. Now I'm gonna use the brown, so I believe that's coffee. To be a little extra, I'm going to be adding glitter on my waterline as well. This is the Grand Prize glitter. Now I'm going in with my contour powder and I'm starting to dust off the excess powder that was on my face. And using my mixed race palette by Pimpy. And I know y'all see like my eyelid is like a patchy spot. I'm gonna fix that too. Taking a Sacha Buttercup to pretty much highlight the bottom of my cheekbone. You always want to go over that powder and press in your powder with your foundation brush. So that's what I'm doing, taking my foundation brush and pressing in the rest of that powder. Now I'm going to just spray with some Morphe setting spray. And now I'm going to press in that spray, making sure I blend everything that I need to blend everything together. Just make sure you don't see no harsh lines. Like, this is the time to fix all that with that setting spray. Of course, doing a dark lip with this look, I'm going to be going in with Beauty Bakery's Midnight Truffles. This is their matte liquid lipstick. Now placing that glitter on my lips before it actually dries, because this what helps the glitter sticks to your lips. So I'm just going to be placing Grand Prize all over my lip. And then I went in with the darker gold glitter that I used on my eyelid, and I placed that on top of that. Going in with my NC45 MAC finishing powder, I'm just going to start placing that all over my face just to make sure I blend everything together and none of my pores are showing. This is Juvia's Place Loose Highlight in the shade Nafatiri. I'm just going to start placing it on my cheekbone. You see how pigmented it is. It's a very fine loose highlight. Alright, babe, so this is the finished look. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like, share the video, y'all. I absolutely enjoy doing tutorials, so I would love to see you on the next video. And until the next time, y'all, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one.